So herein it will ask you to enter the Python script. So just enter the Python script here. Hello friends, in this video I am going to give you a basics of how to connect Power BI with Python. So I will take you to my PC and show you how to connect it. Friends, first of all you need to open Power BI in your system. After that you need to go to the file option from the top and click on options and settings, then click on options, and after that a new window will pop up. Herein you need to select Python scripting option, and from here you need to detect Python home directory. So my home directory is selected here. So you can select the Python home. So my Python directory is selected here. You can select your Python home directory. So detect IDE. So I am using PyCharm, so I need to click on others and look for PyCharm in my system. So you can search in your system as well your PyCharm path. So you can simply look for the path from here. Open the file location. So make sure that you use the right path in your system. Enter the path here and click on open. Select this PyCharm. So your IDE may be different, and just click on OK. That's it. After that you need to go to the table view, and herein you can see data is showing. Click on get data. Herein you need to scroll down and you need to look for the Python. So you can, if you do not find it, you can search it here. I have already connected, so it is showing me. Just select this Python script. You can search it here. I have already connected, so just click on connect here. So herein it will ask you to enter the Python script. So just enter the Python script here. So the script will run with the following Python installation. So this is the installation. To configure settings, you can change the Python installation. You want to go to the option and settings, so make sure to select it and click on just OK. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. So connect Python script and to your Power BI. So make sure to do it properly. I hope friends now you will be able to connect Power BI with your Python in your system, and further videos how to use it and how to work on it I will come up with my upcoming videos. So subscribe my channel to watch such videos.